Set granular targeting to be able to optimize your campaigns later and keep your budgets under control. First of all, the most obvious and basic recommendation is to use the same geo-targeting of a campaign that you wanted to clone from other traffic sources. And here are the action items for targeting to set up your first test campaigns. Split your test campaigns by subscribers list ID to check how each of the subscribers list perform with your offers. Get the recommended bids per geo from the account managers and in our Telegram channel. This will give you a picture about the bidscape, what bids can get you traffic. Then a good idea would be to split test campaigns by mobile and desktop devices. Clicks cap per user daily. For maximum granularity, use 1, but 2, 3 is also fine. Narrow down the timetable when to show your push ads to the audiences. Just an example from the top of my head. Dating and neutral verticals show the opposite results at the same time of the day. And one more, don't forget to set up a daily spend cap per campaign. This is about the targeting.